Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can automatically play audio in Google Slides. So let's go to the browser and right here Google Drive, then log into your Google Drive or go to your Google Drive first, because you have to upload that audio in Google Drive first. Okay, so I'm just uploading a audio like this. File upload, audio, I'm uploading this one. Hold on. Uploaded this one, dual music. So I'm gonna upload this into now my Google Slide account. Hold on. Now I'm going to Google Slides. So let's upload that audio here. If you want to upload that audio, you have to go insert, then you can see audio, click on this, and after clicking on this you will find that audio right here. Just click on this and click on insert. Audio has uploaded, you can see here, right? So you can play here from like this, or if you want to play it automatically, you have to right click on this volume icon and you have to go just clicking on format options, and you can see here start playing, on click or automatically. Just make it automatically and stop on slide change. You can check or uncheck it, customize this, that's up to you. So after that you can just make it this thing like, and every slides it will the music will run automatically. Okay guys, so this is how you can upload a audio and run it automatically in Google Slides. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.